Here we have a 2020 Mazda CX-5 GS all-wheel drive. Comes with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, automatic transmission in a machine gray metallic color. Let's take a look inside. Coming inside, have a nice armrest, power lock units and mirrors, black leather and suede combination upholstery, power driver support. Coming inside, air vent on the left, powered trunk, traction control system, lane keep assist. Got audio, radio, Bluetooth controls, adaptive cruise control functions, rain wipers for the front and the rear. Coming to the infotainment, applications tab for fuel economy monitor, vehicle status, and your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Entertainment, if you want to check out your audio sources here, you got FM, AM, AHA, Pandora, Citrix, Bluetooth, and a couple of USB inputs. Communication, if you want to connect your phone via Bluetooth, you can do so via this screen. You'll have access to your contacts, favorites, call history, telephone, text messages. Navigation, no nav card added as of now, but you can get it added as a genuine accessory. And into our settings, have your display, system brightness, contrast, safety features like your distance recognition support system, smart city brake support, blind spot monitoring, and your lane keep assist, sound, your clock, vehicle settings, devices, and your system here as well. Air vents, hazard lights, your start stop engine button, got dual zone automatic climate control functions, front and rear defrost, heated seats for driver and passenger, got a backup camera, sport mode switch, electronic park brake, auto hold, volume rocker. You use this to control everything on the infotainment. It's also touchscreen. Those you saw, two cup holders, center console with two USB-C inputs, or two USB, just regular USB, 12 volt auxiliary, SD card for your nav if you get that added, power tilt side sunroof controls, interior lighting options, sunglass holder, auto in the rear view mirror. Let's take a look outside. Here at the front, we have our LED headlights, black and chrome finish grille, Mazda badge in the middle, gray Mazda alloy rims, paint matching door handles and mirrors with rear tinted windows, keyless entry feature, LED taillights, CX-5 all-wheel drive on the left, dual exhaust, Skyactiv G badge on the right, power trunk opens up nice and easy. Press the button, 40-20-40 split for the rear seats. You can also open this up, spare tire, lift kit. Let's take a look at the back seats. One of the back seats have a nice armrest, power windows, tons of legroom and headroom, that same leather and suede combination that upholstery. Got rear air vents. Also you can fold that down, get two cup holders and an armrest. Let's head back outside. That'll wrap it up for the 2020 Mazda CX-5 GS all-wheel drive in our machine gray metallic color. If you guys have any questions or want to book test drive, please visit us at parkmazda.ca.